Has the sex abuse case against a former Bengal cheerleader and her mother been damaged before it even goes to trial? The concern comes after an unusual admission in court this morning. 9 News reporter Tom McKee is live covering Northern Kentucky News Now with the development and reaction to it. Tom?
Well, Carol, both Cheryl and Sarah Jones entered pleas of not guilty here at Kenton Circuit Court this morning, but the father of the alleged teenage victim told me that the family is going to support the Joneses going forward in the case, and some legal experts I've talked with today say that could hurt the prosecution's efforts. The Kenton Circuit courtroom was filled as the Joneses appeared Monday morning for their arraignment before Judge Patricia Sumey.
I'm Cheryl Jones.
I'm Sarah Jones.
Sarah is charged with sexually abusing a teenage boy while she was a teacher at Dixie Heights High School in Edgewood. Cheryl is accused of tampering with evidence in the case. She's on administrative leave as principal of Twin Huffle Middle School. It was a discussion about bond that revealed the alleged victim's family's support for the Joneses.
Your Honor, it would be the Commonwealth's request that a condition of bond be no contact between the defendants and the victim or his family in this case.
The alleged victim's family is here supporting these defendants today, Your Honor. I think that would be an unreasonable condition. The families are friends.
Judge Sumey sided with the prosecution and ordered the Joneses on electronic monitoring until the June 27th trial. Neither woman commented on the issue after court, and Special Prosecutor Sarah Farmer said little about it.
At this time, I feel it's inappropriate to comment on that.
However, legal expert Mark Crumbine said the impact on the case could be significant.
The family might be saying there was no sexual contact with our son, and thus we support the teacher and the principal, and we don't want anything to happen to them. So that could be something. If that happens, the state's case would be devastated.
And Crumbine added it might hurt the issue of electronic text messaging as a basis for charges as well.
The principal, if she's charged with tampering with evidence and there's no crime even committed, that would greatly weaken the state's case against her.
Now, bond for each of the women has now been lowered to $15,000. They're going to be on electronic monitoring until this June 27th trial. I tried to contact today the ex-husband of Sarah. I knocked on the door where he lived. I was told he's not home. There's no comment. But then I went around the corner after putting my camera away, watched a man and a woman get into a waiting car at Carroll and Clyde and drive off without talking to me.
All right, very interesting. Tom McKee reporting live from Covington. Thanks, Tom.